Yoram?
Hello.
Stay there?
How are you?
Okay, ready? Go? Okay. Live at the Kosher Food and Wine Festival, I'm here with my friend Yoram. I'm Yoshua Worth, and I really like his wines. And not only that, but he came to the store and told me, Yoshua, you cannot drink that wine out of those glasses. So he sent me these beautiful glasses, and now I taste everybody else's wine and yours in those glasses.
Nice, nice.
Today you have a new reserve, Cabernet Franc, 2009, and by the way, it's Alexander Winery out of Israel. Give us a little shtickle of information on this wine.
This Cabernet Franc in the vineyard in the Upper Galilee before Miron, Kfar Shammai, Har Mitzpe Hayamim, and it's single vineyard, but I have here 5% Petit Verdot, the same vineyard, Cabernet Franc there and Petit Verdot the other, maybe 3 meters. It's come Petit Verdot together, maybe שנתיים, 2 years, more 2 years, 1 year in the stilling tank.
Oh,
before bottling.
To settle.
Yes. And now it's coming חשיפה ראשונה. חשיפה is not premiere. You tell me premiere here.
Beautiful.
And I'm changed label of Alexander Serious Reserve. Every wine it come here Reserve. It's look like this, but it's the same color here and the capsula. Maybe Cabernet Franc. It's this is the color, but Alexander Reserve Cabernet Sauvignon. It's red. Also capsula.
Got it.
Okay.
I'm gonna get her to pour me some. Cabernet Franc?
Sure.
Thank you. So now we're getting to pour us some wine. We'll taste the wine, give her the character of the wine. I'm very fascinated that this wine was in steel for a year before the oaking. This is unusual.
Yes.
Very neat.
Yes. למה עושים מה? אנחנו שמים את היין תקופה.
I'm getting almost like orchids.
Orchids?
Orchid, it's a flower, an exotic flower. I was thinking it was violets, but it's like orchids. Yeah. Fruit, orchids.
Fruit, very jump.
It's interesting for a Cabernet Franc. It seems like what I usually get in the earth and the spices in this like fruit, light wood flower.
Wow.
Very interesting and different. L'chaim. Wow.
לחיים. היין,
On the palate.
אוקיי. היין יושב, I can talk Hebrew, yes?
Yeah.
היין יושב במכלים נירוסטה בשביל לנקות את היין. לא עושים, the unfiltered.
No filtering. No filtering.
Only cold tank and everything come down. It's clean one.
I really find exotic flowers, even on the palate. I actually have enjoyed salads over the years with exotic flowers in the salads, and they have very interesting flavors and characters. This is a big exotic floral wine with very subtle wood accenting. The spice and the earth only come through heavy on the palate, not on the nose. The nose is much more intriguing and perfumey almost. Very different, actually.
Yes.
And I really appreciate this wine. This is the 2009 Alexander Cabernet Franc. Very floral.
Yes.
Very special and different and interesting wine. And I'm Yoshua Worth. I'm here live with Yoram from Alexander, and I very much appreciate your creations, and we thank you.
Thank you very much.
Yoshua Worth, the Kosher Wine Review.